In a small village, far, far away, there lived a traveling storyteller named Tomas. One day, Tomas arrived in the village with an empty pot. "I'm here to share a magical story," said Tomas, "but first, I need a little help." The villagers looked at each other, puzzled. What could Tomas need help with? They had nothing to share. Tomas smiled and said, "I'll make a delicious stone soup. All I need is a stone, and we'll start cooking." One villager, curious, handed Tomas a small stone. Tomas placed it in the pot, filled it with water, and set it over a fire. Soon, the villagers gathered around, curious about the soup. Tomas added a handful of carrots and a few potatoes. "Now, let's make this soup even better," said Tomas. "Who has some salt or pepper?" One by one, the villagers began to share their spices, thinking they were contributing to the soup. Before long, the soup began to smell delicious. Tomas added a handful of beans and some fresh herbs from his bag. "We're almost there," said Tomas, "but this soup needs one more ingredient: kindness." The villagers looked at each other and smiled. They each took a turn stirring the soup, adding more kindness with each stir. Finally, the soup was ready. Tomas invited everyone to share a bowl. The soup was so delicious that the villagers couldn't believe it. "This is the most delicious soup I've ever tasted," said one villager. "I've never had soup this good," said another. Tomas smiled and said, "You see, with a little help, a stone can become a delicious soup. And with a little kindness, we can make the world a better place." From that day on, the villagers never forgot the magic of the stone soup and the power of kindness. They realized that when we work together, we can create something beautiful, just like Tomas's stone soup.